Exercise 12.2, question number 3, subtract. So, in subtraction numerical, three things we have to remember. The first one, whatever term will be after from, that will come first. Then second is we have to put subtraction sign. And then the third one is the second term will come along with all the sign. So here, if we will follow these three steps, then let us check for the first step. From. So from y square is there. So from y square means y square will come first. Then subtraction sign. So we are keeping here subtraction sign because this is numerical for subtraction. Then term along with the sign. So this term is remaining. This we have to put it, and that will come along with the sign. So here two negative sign will come, one for the subtraction and one which is along with the term. So these three steps we have to remember when we are doing subtraction. Now let us subtract this. Y square minus 5y square. So this minus will be plus. So it is going to give us y square plus 5y square, and as a result we will get 6y square, and it will have bigger number sign, that is plus. So plus 6y square will be the answer. Second numerical, 6xy from minus 12xy. So from will come first. So minus 12xy. From this we have to subtract 6xy. So in between the subtraction will come. So this subtraction we have to do. Here two negative signs are there. So minus 12 minus 6. So this both minus will become plus, and operation will be addition. So 12 plus 6 will give us 18, and 18 will get bigger number sign. So it will be minus 18. So minus 18, and this variables will remain same. So minus 18xy. Third numerical, minus AB from A plus B. So from A plus B, I am writing here first from A plus B, and we have to subtract A minus B. Now let us open the bracket. When we are opening the bracket and at front of the bracket the negative sign are there, we can change all the sign of variables or terms, whatever there inside the bracket. So there are two possible ways to solve this minus A minus B. Simply we are changing two opposite sign. So A is positive, it will become negative. B is negative, it will become positive. This is also correct. The other way is minus A minus B is there. Let us open this bracket. So this negative sign will go along with A. This negative sign will go along with B also. So it will give us minus A. Then it will give us minus B. So this two negative sign will give us positive sign. So minus A plus B. As we can see here, both of this method are giving us same answer. So any one method you can follow. The first method will be easy, in which we are changing to opposite sign. So let us change this. A plus B minus A plus B. Again, A is positive here, so it will become negative. B is negative here, it will become positive. Whatever they are into the bracket, they'll get opposite sign with respect to that. Now here A is positive and one A is negative, then plus B is there. So A and A we can cancel it off, or you can write it here 0, and then B plus B will give us 2B. So 2B will be the answer. Fourth numerical, A, B minus 5 from B 5 minus A. Now the term which is after from will come first. So it is going to be B 5 minus A. Then we are keeping subtraction sign, and then the second term A, B minus 5. Now let us open the bracket. So B will go along with 5 and B will go along with A. So 5B, then minus A into B. So it is giving us minus AB. Now second bracket. A will go along with B, but A is along with negative sign. So it is going to be minus AB. Then A minus A will go along with minus 5. So minus a into minus 5 will give us 5a, but that too positive 5a, because both of this negative sign will give us positive. Minus minus will be positive. So it is plus 5a. Now these are our term 5b plus 5a. Then let us combine this to minus ab minus ab. Here minus ab is there, where we can also write minus 1ab minus 1ab. So minus 1 will give us minus 2, and variable will remain same, so minus 2ab. So 5b and 5a we cannot add as their variables are different, but here we can write minus 2ab. So this is our final answer. Minus m square plus 5mn from 4m square minus 3mn plus 8. So that term will come first. 4m square minus 3mn plus 8. So after that we are keeping negative sign. Then we have to keep this whole term into a bracket because we have kept here negative sign. So after that it is going to be minus m square plus 5mn. So second term is minus m square plus 5mn. Now we are opening the bracket. So 4m square plus 3mn plus 8. When we are opening the bracket, this negative sign will go along with minus m square. So minus m square minus m square will become plus m square. Negative sign will go along with plus 5mn. So it is going to be minus 5mn. So it is minus 5mn. So that I am writing here minus 5mn. Why we have kept this two term into the bracket? Because at the front the negative sign is there and that will change their sign. If we have written it directly, then our answer will be wrong. Find common terms. 4m square, 3mn, 5mn, and 8 is constant, so it is going to be alone. Now let us add and subtract them. So 4m square plus m square will give us 5m square. Now minus 3 minus 5. Both are negative, so we have to do addition for them. Operation will be addition, so it is going to give us 8. Now it will carry bigger number sign, so it is minus 8. So minus 8 mn plus 8. So this is our final answer. Minus x square plus 10x minus 5 from 5x minus 10. So the term which is after from, that will come first. 5x minus 10 minus, we have to put this whole term into bracket because at the front the negative sign is there. So minus x square plus 10x minus 5. Now let us open the bracket and change the sign. 5x minus 10 sign will go along with minus x square. So minus x square. So this both minus will give us plus x square. So it is going to be plus x square. Then minus plus 10x. So this minus plus will become minus. So it is going to be minus 10x. So minus 10x. Then next is minus 5. Minus 5. So this minus will be plus. So it is plus 5. Common terms 5x, 10x, x square is alone and these two are constant, minus 10 and 5. We can take this x square at the front. So x square. Then comes 5 minus 10. 5 minus 10. So we have to do subtraction. So it is subtraction. It will give us 5 and it will carry bigger number sign. So minus 5. So minus 5x. Then constant. These two constant are also same. It will also give us minus 5 answer. So minus 5. So this is our final answer. Minus 7ab plus ab square from 3ab minus 2a square minus 2ab square. So the term which is after from, we are writing first 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square. Then negative sign and then we are keeping the whole term into bracket. So 5a square minus 7ab plus 5b square. Whenever we are writing a full term after negative sign, always keep the term in a bracket and then open the bracket and change the sign. So 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square. So this negative sign will go along with 5, so it will become negative. So minus 5a square. Then this negative sign will go along with minus 7. So minus minus will be plus. So plus 7ab. Then this negative sign will go along with 5b square. So plus minus will become minus 5b square. Now let us combine the common term. So 3 plus 7 will give us 10ab. Now minus 2a square minus 5. So minus 2 minus 5 will give us minus 7. As this both are negative, we have to do addition and it will carry bigger number sign. So minus 7. Minus 7a square. Then this two term. Minus 2b square minus 5b square. So minus 2 minus 5. Again addition will be the operation and it will carry bigger number sign. So minus 7b square. So this is our final answer. 4pq minus 5q square minus 3p square from this full term. So this term will come front, 5p square plus, so this term will come at the front, 5p square plus 3q square minus pq. Then subtraction sign and we are keeping this term into the bracket. 4pq minus 5q square minus 3p square. Now let us open the bracket and change the sign. Minus. So minus will go along with 4. So it is going to be minus 4pq. Then it is minus 5q square. So this minus and minus will become plus. So it is 5q square plus 5q square. So plus 5q square. Then comes minus 3p square. So minus minus will be plus. So plus 3p square. Plus 3p square. Basically whatever sign will be there into the bracket. So those sign we are changing to opposite sign. As we can see here, 4 is positive. It has become negative here. 5 is negative. It has become positive here. 3 is negative. It has become positive here. When there is a negative sign at front of the bracket, we are simply changing sign to opposite sign. Now let us combine the common term p square. So 5p and 3p square. 3q square, 5q square. Then pq and pq. So 8p square plus 8q square minus pq minus 4pq. So minus minus will be plus. So we are doing addition here. So it is going to be 5pq and it will carry negative sign as the bigger number has negative sign. So minus 5pq. This is our final answer.